Testing.
Y'all ready?
You're right. Oh, man.
The Commissioners Court of Brazos County will meet in regular session on March 1st, 2022, 10 a.m. Commissioners Courtroom in the County Administration Building, 200 South Texas Avenue, Suite 106. First item on the agenda is invocation of pledge of allegiance to the U.S. and Texas flag, and Commissioner Aldridge will lead those.
Almighty, eternal, ancient of days, we ask that as we convene here, you give us your wisdom to make decisions on behalf of the citizens of Brazos County, and that those those decisions be made in accordance with your will. Ask for your continued support and defense of our first responders, our education, our healthcare providers, and those who protect our liberties both here and abroad. Father, I ask in particular that you intervene in a very powerful way and bring peace to Eastern Europe according to your will. I ask these things in your almighty name. Amen.
Amen.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. On the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Thank you, Commissioner. Thank you, Judge. Second item on the agenda is call for citizens' input and/or concerns. Hearing none, we will consider and take action on agenda items 3 through 20. Number 3 is a request for approval of the Brazos Center for rental rate increase for the following rooms due to the increase in liability insurance rates.
Move approval A and B. Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor?
I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to say that I think the rates are quite reasonable,
I do too.
and we've always attempted to keep the rates at a minimum, so it's time to raise them.
I agree.
Yeah,
I agree.
and they're still going to be very reasonable.
It
Exactly.
still will be.
Exactly.
That's correct. Any further discussion? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 4 is approval of the following committee for the evaluation of proposal for RFQ 22-101 Engineering and Surveying Services.
Move approval A through F.
Second.
Motion made and seconded to approve A through F. Discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 5 is permission to advertise for RFQ 22-101 Engineering and Surveying Services.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 6 is approval of the following committee for the evaluation of proposals for RFP CIP 22-627 Democrat Road and Peach Creek Road Bridge Repair.
Move approval A through H.
Second.
Motion made and seconded to approve A through H. Discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 7 is permission to advertise RFP CIP 22, did I just read that?
No,
the next
it's
one.
the second.
Okay, yeah, it's to approve the
Excellent.
contract, yeah.
It rhymes.
It sure does. Democrat Road and Peach Creek Road bridge repair.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion.
I think Sammy Catalina might be applauding this
Yeah.
from heaven.
Yeah, I think so.
All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 8 is approval of the following committee for evaluation proposal of RFQ 22-100 appraisal services.
Move approval A through F.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 9 is permission to advertise RFQ 22-100 appraisal services.
Move approval.
Second that.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 10 is approval of arts renewal for 1095C through Texas Association of Counties.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 11 is approval of updated retainer agreement with Allison Bass and McGee LLP for legal services related to the development of the County Medical Examiner's Office.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 12 is approval of contract 22-516 with Lexpo for the Sheriff's Office and Detention Center. Pricing is from the Allied States Cooperative Contract 1872-97.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 13 is approval of the Treasurer's Report for February 21 through September 21 and the quarters ending 3/31/21, 6/30/21, and 9/31/21.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 14 is approval of expenditure journal entry for Brazos County's FY 21-22 quarter 1 cash contributions of $47,311.78 to CSCD Specialty Court Program.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 15 is tax refund application for the following.
I move approval A through G.
Second.
Motion made and seconded to approve A through G. Discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 16 is budget amendments. Budget amendments FY 21/22, 21.1 through 21.8.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 17 is personnel change status.
Move approval A and B.
Second.
Motion made and seconded to approve A and B's. Discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. Number 18 is payment of claims. Claims to be paid by Brazos County. Claim number 811-3591 through claim number 811-3704 and claims number 9004386 through claim number 9004433.
Move approval.
Second.
Motion made, seconded, discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None motion carries. We will skip down to number 21 is acknowledgement of Bryan College Station Chamber of Commerce Independent Auditor's Report and Financial Statements for the years ended September 30, 2020 and 2021. Number 22 is an acknowledgement of the FY 21-22 budget to actuals by fund as February 23rd, 2020. And number 23 is an acknowledgement of the FY 2021 racial profiling report for Brazos County Constable Precinct 4. 24 is juvenile director's report on detention population.
Good morning, Judge and Commissioners. Presently, we have 25 juveniles in detention, 23 males and 2 females. We have 7 in med-ISO per the protocols, 39 on electronic monitor, and we don't have any positives.
Great.
Thank you. And 25 Sheriff's Report on inmate population. Sheriff.
Good morning, Judge, Commissioners. 582 today, 501 men, 81 women. We have 60 on electronic monitoring, 17 pending, and no active cases.
How many did you say on electronic monitoring?
60.
Thank you.
60?
60, yes. That Texas twang is getting in the way. Sorry
Yep.
about that.
Thanks, Sheriff. Number 26 is announcement of interest items and possible future agenda
I
topics.
have a couple.
Okay.
First of all, I want to remind everybody that today is primary election day, and you can vote if you have not already. Encourage you to do so. Both Democrat and Republican parties are having primaries today. And also today is Public Risk Management Awareness Day. So departments are encouraged to contact risk management for safety training, incidents and accidents, or safety concerns. So contact Melissa if you need to,
Okay.
or Leslie.
Okay. Is that it?
Yep.
Anybody else?
Judge and Commissioners.
Fred?
I'd like to introduce one of our new Road and Bridge employees, Keon Davison. He's filled our civil engineering spot that's been off and on filled by either me or Perthana, but always open. Keon is a 3-year graduate from A&M. He also interned with us before he graduated for about 1.5 years. And so he's back and has got some real world experience, and we're going to be putting him to good use.
All right.
Great.
Good.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
If there's no other announcement of interest items, then 27 is call for citizens' input and/or concerns. Hearing none, we will go back up to 19 and convene an executive session pursuant to the following. A is the Texas Government Code 551.071 to consult with an attorney about pending and contemplated litigation and/or settlement offer. And B is Texas Government Code 551.0725 to deliberate business and financial issues related to a contract being negotiated. And I think that's the one we have to actually vote on.
That's correct, Judge. Good morning, Commissioners. My name is Ed Bull. In my capacity as legal officer, I've already tendered an opinion in regards to the contract being negotiated. I've made a determination that the deliberation in an open meeting would have a detrimental effect on the position of the court in the negotiations of a third party. I'd ask the court to take a vote, and it must be unanimous before that we go into executive session on this item. Thank you.
I move that we go into executive session.
I second that.
Motion made, seconded. Any discussion? All in favor, raise your right hand. It's unanimous. Motion passes. So it is 10:12. We'll of course need the commissioners and Cheryl. And we'll need Kim in that second portion of it. And attorneys.
Attorneys and budget probably first.
Budget, yep. And it's 10:12.
For the motion, Judge. I am
Yes,
the
we
one.
need to start signing on that one.
Yes,
There's several in there.
that's the one. Oh, and I can pass it.
I
Excuse me.
think she said there was
It's several.
Yeah. well,
Okay, so we are coming back in out of
I'll send
executive
some emails
session.
to start with
It is 10:53, and I think there is action to be taken on one of the items.
Judge, I'd like to offer a motion in accepting the recommendation of our council that we will accept the Indo settlement. We will also accept the TIVA settlement. We should accept the Big Three distributors settlement. And we authorize our county judge to sign on the Texas release and participation form and hold in escrow pending effective settlements.
Second.
Motion made and seconded. Any further discussion?
I guess the question is part of the motion was hold in escrow. What does that really mean?
That's
It means
the,
that the signed documents would go to this attorney and his firm, and they would hold it pending receipt of all of the other documents from their other entities that they represent.
Thanks for that clarification.
and that was council's recommendation, sir.
Okay. Any further discussion? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? None. Motion carries. Next item is to adjourn.
Dr. Lane?